You have to be quiet at school or an eel will come for you. Hey, get your tail away! It's bothering me. And not only me. Fine, I'll make it smaller. Take the glue out of a glue stick. Put glitter into it. And mix it well. Put the glue back into the tube. Make a mermaid tail out of sequined fabric. Attach a keychain ring to it. And put in the glue stick. Tail, swim over here! But the teacher is getting upset with the mermaids again. This is just a case for my glue stick, and it wants to be a mermaid too. You really like tails that much? Here, take your tail back. Miss Burpool is in trouble. Her school supply stand jumped off a cliff and broke in the ocean. What a shame. Let's help our teacher. We'll make a new stand for her school supplies. Will it be as scary as an ocean beast? No, cute as a goldfish. Glue a plastic flask into a round fish tank. Use aquarium silicone sealant. Let it solidify for 1 day. Put decor into the fish tank. Pour in water and put in a fish. Put school supplies into the internal cup. There you go! Now Miss Burpool has her own fish tank with school supplies on her desk. This is so beautiful! You just have to be careful not to throw it off the table too. Why are there secret messages in Muriel's notebook? This is Ariel's fault. Hello! Oh, I thought you would like it, and I ran out of erasers. Ha! Bad luck! Ariel will help her friend with an eraser. Trace a jellyfish template on an eraser. Cut it out with a modeling knife. Smooth out the edges. We'll give the jellyfish cute eyes. There you go! Done! It's a jellyfish eraser, and it will help you. Aww! My friend erases all my love from her memory so quickly. Miss Burpool got tired. Great! Now we can do whatever we want. Oh! I accidentally stapled 2 sheets in my notebook. Muriel, do you know how to help me? I don't, but my pet eel does. Molly, come here. She has a staple remover instead of teeth. Sew an eel body out of velvet fabric. Make a fin out of organza. Put in toy stuffing and sew the holes. Attach googly eyes. Fasten a staple remover into the eel's mouth. Molly is so cute! Hey, don't be scared. She won't bite you. She is only interested in your staples. Click, click. And the eel ate all of them. Thanks, Molly. You're a kind, soft friend. Class has started. It's time to write down our assignment. Ariel is mesmerized by her new pencil, but Muriel can't pick a good pen out of her case. Look, it's a wave. You were right. I'll use an ocean pen with cuttlefish tentacles. Shape a tentacle out of polymer clay. Attach clay suction cups. Make hollows in them. Press in a hole with a pen refill. And mark a hollow for the tip of the pen. Bake the clay in an oven following the package instructions. Put in a refill and hot glue a pen tip. What a great choice! I'll take notes with a tentacle. The wave got tied up in a knot, and the tentacle pen won this school supply battle. Ariel is jealous of her friend. The teacher wants a bendy pencil too. Oops, I got mixed up. What's that noise coming from over there? The little mermaid Ariel is training her vocal cords. Somebody stop this underwater rhapsody! It's unbearable! But Bad Mermaid has a tool that'll definitely work. This is a pendant which will take Ariel's voice away. Coat seashells with gold acrylic paint. Glue in a pencil sharpener. Attach a cord. It's just like the fairy tale. Ariel's voice goes into the pendant. La, la, la. There we go! Let's take away all the octaves. Every last note. Phew! Now it's gonna be nice and quiet. Take this pendant pencil sharpener and get to work. A good mermaid always keeps her desk clean. And a bad mermaid's desk looks like a ship got wrecked on it. Why is it so chaotic? This has to stop. Ariel will tidy up in this messy ocean. She just needs to make a seashell organizer. Hot glue a big round seashell to a candle holder. Attach a ball to the seashell as a pearl. Cover the inside with white glue and glitter. Paint the outside of the seashell to be the same color as the candle holder. Coat the candle holder and the bottom of the seashell with glittering nail polish. Decorate with artificial corals, small seashells, and a pearl. There you go! Now all Muriel's things are in the seashell, and the desk is clean. We just have to wait for her reaction. She really likes the gift. She has never gotten anything like this before. Thanks, Ariel! Ariel is so clumsy. Oops! I spilled water! Right on my friend's notebook. Water turns it into a cute stingray. Cut a stingray out of an old notebook using a template. Hot glue a cardboard tail. Attach reverse sequin fabric to the cover. Cover the back with glittery cardboard. Hot glue an elastic ribbon near the tail inside the back cover and put in a pencil. Oh, I'm sorry, but it looks like Muriel really likes the new notebook. This stingray is so adorable. It's a stress reliever. Way better than a regular notebook. I accept your apology. I won't try to take revenge. Get into pairs for the next assignment. You have to make a drawing together. But Muriel takes a pencil in her own hands right away. What are you drawing? Holy plankton! Poseidon with horns? No way! I'll fix this drawing using my magical paint. Coat a wooden base with white glue and sprinkle with glitter. Hot glue little round containers and pour acrylic paint into them. Decorate the cap of each pot with a glass stone. hot glue seashells to the corners of the base. Put in a brush. Let's add some colors to this terrifying drawing. There we go! Done! Now that's way better! And Miss Burpool is happy! Working together brings people closer! Did you like our school supplies for mermaids? Then comment below what school supplies you'd make for yourself. A school supply stand with a fish, a tentacle pen, or a pet eel. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new mermaid ideas from Troom.